Your awnings, there's a few things you want to note. First and foremost, if it's windy outside, you want to take your awnings in. If you happen to be leaving your campsite at all, even just to go next door, you want to take your awning in. If you're going inside for any extended period of time, make sure you take your awning in. If it starts to rain too heavily outside, make sure you take your awning in as well. These Solera awnings are all equipped with two shocks here, one of which is lighter than the other. So if it does rain and there is some rain pooling on top of your awning, one arm will drop itself to allow the water to run off, but you still don't want to have your awning outside if it's raining too heavily, especially because there's usually a wind associated with the rain. We have an arms on either side of your awning here, which will allow you to actually change the pitch of your awning. If you drop both arms down, you can lower the angle of your awning. Make sure you put those arms back up in a fairly straight position before you retract your awning, as they will catch if they're not back to their upright position. And the last thing we want to note about the awning here, you can see there's a little flap hanging down. That's about where you want to stop with your awning. If you were to keep going, you'd see the black metal tube that the awning is wrapped around. The reason you want to stop right there is because that's keeping one full wrap of the awning around that metal tube, which is keeping the awning tight on top. If you were to keep going, you'd end up losing some of the awning strength, and if water did pool up there, it would actually stretch the end of the awning as it kind of starts to sag. The other thing to note with your awnings, you do want to use just something kind of organic or safe, just dish soaps, things like that, to clean your awnings with. You never want to use any harsh chemicals or heavy bleaches on your awnings.